Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will combine two minimal stacks, an ASP, NET Core API, and an Angular SBA. First, confirm NET and Node versions so tooling aligns because mismatches break builds. Once done, scaffold the API with .NET New Web API and create the Angular app with ng-new in a parallel folder. Make sure to enable cores in the API now, otherwise calls from Angular will fail. This gets you immediately into development. No prolonged setup, just the essentials to start wiring front-end to back-end. You will wire the runtime, enable cores, and configure JSON serialization so both sides agree on payload shapes. This avoids subtle bugs. In Angular, use HTTP client and environment-based URL, then add a proxy. Conf. JSON pointing to Kestrel during ng-serve, so you get seamless dev without changing production URLs. Once your DTOs and endpoints align, use a shared type script interface or Swagger-generated clients. You reduce runtime errors. You will finish by serving the Angular build from ASB. Netcore. Run ng build prod and copy dist files into wwroot, then enable use static files and SBA fallback in program. CS so client-side routes work. Once done, configure environment variables for API URLs and enable compression for performance. If problems occur, 404, missing assets or cores, inspect the middleware order. Verify base href and proxy settings, and confirm static files are present. One key troubleshooting tip: middleware order matters. Static files must be served before routing middleware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.